Hi, and welcome to American Printer TV. I'm John Hamilton. Tamara is off this week. I got a full cast to bring you, and here's what's coming up. Consolidated Graphics hosts a Merge conference, highlights from OnDemand, and a Florida printer helps the environment with chemistry-free plates. Consolidated Graphics, or CGX, hosted its annual Emerge conference in San Antonio, Texas. The more than 750 attendees included CGX printing companies, their customers, and CGX partners and suppliers. The two-day event featured keynotes on marketing communications, the changing media mix, and the value of developing a strong brand. 30 suppliers presented their latest wares in an expo adjoining the conference, including an interactive web-to-print demonstration. The conference featured 45 educational topics geared toward both printers and their customers on the business of print, as well as technical sessions for print buyers and creatives. The companies that make up Consolidated Graphics have retained their branding and management teams. Comments range from the benefits of paper purchasing power through CGX to the advantage of a large human resources pool among member companies. CGX customers learned about the integrated company's capabilities, while CGX member printers shared ideas about everything from sales to website strategy to technical matters, including the latest suite of products from Adobe. Check out www.cgxemerge.com for more information. Better than expected. That's how many of the 250 exhibitors described traffic at this year's OnDemand conference held April 20th to the 22nd in Philadelphia. Co-located with the AIM Expo, show organizer Questex Media reports that more than 24,000 people attended the combined event. The show was the coming out party for several new digital presses. Konica Minolta introduced an 80-page per minute model, the BizHub Press C8000. The C8000 targets commercial offset and high-volume digital environments. Canon expanded its Image Runner line with a new monochrome advanced 8000 series and 6000 series of multifunction products. Designed on the same platform as Canon's color models, the black and white machines offer output speeds of up to 105 pages per minute. Some called it the Baby iGen, but the official name is the Xerox Color 800 and 1000. Printing at 80 and 100 ppm respectively, the presses offer a new clear dry ink station, allowing for images and text to be highlighted for visual impact. The presses produce high-definition image quality on a wide array of paper stock. Konica Minolta won the Best of Show hat trick. 2 awards went to its BizHub press line, one to the Color C8000 and one to the monochrome BizHub Pro 950. Konica's Print Groove web-to-print solution also was singled out for top honors. Other Best of Show winners included PageFlex for its Campaign Manager personalization software, Spiel Associates for its Sterling Double Binder, GMC Software for its Portal Builder, Avante Computer Systems for its CRM Microsoft Outlook integration, and Rochester Software Associates for its Web CRD workflow. The Lifetime Achievement Award went to Charlie Pesco, who founded the OnDemand show 17 years ago. This year's event will be the final OnDemand Philadelphia. The show will be held March 22nd through the 24th, 2011 at the Walter E. Washington Convention Center in Washington, D.C. Despite recent economic challenges for offset and web offset printing, KBA reports a respectable demand for its large format presses. Over the past 2 years, KBA has installed more than 20 large format presses in North America. KBA has and continues to maintain a high-paced lead over the competition in terms of orders received and machines placed into production, says Mark Hishar, President and CEO of KBA North America. This dominating lead comes from over 90 years of large format experience and gives our customers very high confidence when making their investment decision to partner with KBA. Our large format press line runs the gamut from the 51-inch Rapida 130 and the Rapida 142 56-inch to the 64-inch Rapida 162A and the Rapida 185 73-inch and the Rapida 205 81-inch models. They are used for just about every application, such as printing books, magazines, advertising, movie, packaging, and posters. Last fall, we assembled and installed the 1,000th large format press of a Rapida 162 large format press for a German customer, and we continue to attract many more new installations. A host of package and commercial printers are finding success with recent KBA investments. For their stories, check out the full story at AmericanPrinter.com. Flint Group has announced price increases on a number of press room chemistry products sold in the Americas. Increases range from 5 to 12% depending on the product line and take effect for products shipped on or after June 1, 2010. Products include alcohol substitutes, sheet-fed fountain solutions, conventional press wash, UV press wash, metering roller cleaner, film cleaners, and deglazers rejuvenators. A number of factors have significantly increased our raw material costs, says Kevin Fenewald, Business Director of Pressroom Chemicals. During the recent recession, major chemical manufacturers removed excess capacity. Now, with demand increasing, raw material costs are rising and supply is scarce. The rising cost of crude is also a key contributing factor, continues Mr. Fenewald. Other substantial cost increases have come from container and freight suppliers. All of these factors have affected Flint Group's cost to manufacture and distribute pressroom chemistry products. For more information, visit www.flintgrp.com. Lloyd and Donna Blank have changed everything since buying their Stuart, Florida print business from a franchise in 1992. In addition to upgrading the press fleet and pre-press equipment, the 7-employee print headquarters team has taken on digital print production, design, mailing, and ongoing efforts to improve their ecological footprint. The printer runs 3 small format Heidelberg Printmaster presses, a 4-color GTO, and 2 QMs. A Xerox 700 digital color press handles shorter runs and quick printing. The shop also has wide format inkjet equipment from Epson and Roland for banners, signage, and labels. Most recently, the shop switched over from Heidelberg's Quicksetter 460 polyester computer to plate, or CTP device, to the Supersetter A52 with thermal Saphira chem-free plates. Since the switch to metal chemistry-free plates in December 2009, Blank has noticed significant improvements internally. He says the Supersetter came with a better rip and made for much smoother operations. Every now and then we had to redo polyester plates because they can scratch easily or stretch on press. He says the new metal plates handle longer runs with less wear and tear. The Saphira chem-free plate also delivers faster imaging while using less water. We can do more now with the chem-free metal plates, Blank says. We get better dots and the screens are much better. We get up to color much more quickly. Blank says that the customers have noticed no change since the CTP changeover, except that it's easier for the printer to produce the screens their customers require. For the full story, don't miss the American Printer April feature, Clean CTP. Thanks for joining me today. I'll be back with Tamara for our next episode. See you then.